What's up, guys? I have a problem. After years of filming gadgets, kitchen gadgets, survival gadgets, any gadgets that you can find, knives and all that, I've been like kind of saving them. I have been getting rid of a lot of them, tried to sell them on eBay, tried to like trade it up for different things, but that problem is constant because as much as I try to sell or get rid of, the amount of coming in is more than I can get rid of. So let's see what we got. So it will be like a little mystery boxes. I'm gonna go into this studio and show you around and also show you the update of this studio. But yeah, it's looking pretty bad. Let's see. So used to have a car over here, that's why there is a little bit of empty spot. We've done a lot of renovation with the house, so I've been putting a lot of stuff into the studio. And you know, you think you have so much cool stuff and you think, okay, I have like X amount of money in this stuff, so therefore I might be able to sell it for X amount of money. And you think you have a lot more than it's actually worth. Like tools, chainsaws, whenever they even open box, devaluate by like 40-30% easily, just because it's open box. It's been used one time, it's really hard to sell. So all these scooters, people keep sending me to try to make a videos. I had to tell them no more scooters because it's just too much stuff, especially bigger things. And then I have gadgets full of bins. So what we're going to do is open up gadgets and stuff, bins, and it's going to be like a mystery boxes of bins. And at the same time, I'm going to be cleaning them up and like separating them, whatever is donate, whatever is trash, whatever I can sell or trade for something. So that's what I'm going to do. Look at that, it's a hoard. It's been so bad, I got flooded in the basement, so we moved everything in here. And before I start, let me show you something. This is my studio. But a lot of you wondering why I don't film in the studio. Let me unlock it. Like this. A huge door over here. I love it. So this is a studio. Check this out. This is what we have built instead. We have a kitchen now. There's a light. Let's see. Light need to be upgraded. So there's a little kitchen right here. And it's a full-size kitchen. We're not going to have cabinets, but all that have to come off. This need to be taken out, and I have hooked up water here, which I did not have before, so I'll be able to film like a kitchen gadgets here, no problem. There's a filtration system, heater, and then another room. So we have built these walls. It used to be one giant piece with a dividing wall. Now we have actual wall with this AC unit up there, a little bathroom. So quick update on the studio. Big windows over here. There's the closet. So yeah, let's go grab one of those bins and see what we can get. Hopefully enjoy this kind of little update. Family is going, I need more space. I know for a fact that there's a lot of junk. These machines, like gold panning machines, oh my goodness. This is definitely one of those bins that I do not want. So half of that probably gonna go into the donation. Let's open it up, see what we find in here. Okay guys, let's see what kind of hoard we can find inside here. I don't think I even ever filmed this stuff. I kind of bought it and kind of stopped filming kitchen gadgets. So this right here, little cloth, like a meat grabber. That is hilarious. I should be filming that because it's like pretty fun. You know, looks like a Wolverine. I can't believe it, I have never filmed that. So maybe I'll pull out some ideas. Like this right here is like a shish kebab holders. That's actually awesome. I should just put it on my grill and use it. And then there's another meat grabbers. What? I don't know if I ever filmed it. It's like to tear up chicken or big roasted pieces of meat, like a slow cooker, and it's like rake claws. So that stuff too, weed eater, wow. There's some of this stuff I bought on Amazon, like weed eater, it's like 8 inches stuff, and it's like kind of like a rust removing, dirt removing, and let's see how much I paid. Like A lot of stuff is such a waste where I didn't even film it. Oh, my phone doesn't want to work now. Let's see. I'll take a picture on Amazon and it will pop up the value of this stuff if it wants to. But there you go, $19 I paid for it. There's a little coffee brewer. Yeah, kitchen gadgets. What is this? Looks like a mac and cheese mixer. I don't think I'll ever use that. A whole bunch of new stuff, a bunch of kitchen gadgets. There's a cheese grater. I don't know. You know, another thing I found sitting here devaluating, this is Wesson sent it to me, their first knife, and they sent me a lot of cool knives, and it came in one of these, like, look like a Pelican cases. This Pelican case at least $50. I don't need this Pelican case. Somebody else could put it to use. I should just sell it on eBay. Why is it sitting here wasting my time moving it back and forth? Because all the junk, you think, okay, it's value, it has money in it, you know, it's sellable, and it's some cool gadgets in here, not including kitchen gadgets, that's for sure. Like Pelican case is cool, or like they said here, sleeping bag. It's very cool. It says 5 Celsius to 12 Celsius. Should be in my camping gear, not a bunch of kitchen gadgets. So definitely organizing stuff. Wow, this side here is cool. I don't know if I ever film it. It goes onto a belt, and this is goes to the belt loop right here, and then it's like a drop gathering pouch like this, and it sits on the belt, and it's easy to fold into the belt like this, and it's much smaller now. So that's like $8 right there, but there's no way I could probably sell it for $8. Ferroflow, a little display. Kind of like science gadgets, but this is like $200 a display. Why would I need it ever? And it's kind of sitting here devalued. My goodness. And the worst part about this stuff, when I got flooded, the basement while we were doing grading, I had to move all that stuff from one place to the other place. Then I put it inside the studio. Then whenever we were doing studio renovation, I had to take everything out from a studio because this is not AC control garage. Put it all over here, and I'm wasting time. And it's also devaluating. Like this is a shish kebab screw processor. So all that stuff might have some kind of value in here to where I could sell it, like not kitchen gadget though. But the worst part is it's a liability to where I'm like holding up to all this stuff. Okay, that is awesome. I didn't even know I have it. That should be somewhere else, not here. It all goes into my pellet guns, and this is like $20 each. I'm not selling that or getting rid of that, but it should not be sitting here. In case I need some, I don't have to buy more. But yeah, it's a huge liability to where I'm wasting my time. This side here, Mona Do, some kind of like a coffee. Let's see, coffee warmer and a phone charger. Somebody sent it to me. So sometimes it's just too complicated of the gadgets to film them. Wow, hefty 3X. I could use this whenever we were switching kids' clothes, different ages. I could definitely use that. Why is it here? So just sitting here on a board, and solar panels like that devalued pretty quickly. Any kind of technology like changes so rapidly. The world, this is probably worth nothing. But I think this one was already super cheap, like $8, so just good. Okay, couple more things. I don't know if I ever bought this. Yeah, I did. It's some kind of glow leash for the dog. I think it was sent to me from a fan mail. Sometimes I don't film them all because I think the gadget is like not cool enough to film it. And what is this? This is right here, I can recognize it. It's going to be snorkeling mask, probably at $40. Brand new, sitting here, devaluating. And also sitting here, make me move it up and down. Let's see what I got in here. Cool. One face mask, full face mask, snorkeling mask. It goes on top of it. So this is today's mystery box. It's empty now. I'm more like make sure I keep some of the stuff. Have a donate box right now. Probably put a paper box. Take it to the thrift store. Donate a lot of this stuff. Keep a couple of cool things that I want. Definitely don't want any of those kitchen gadgets. But this is my goal. I'm going to be filming over here, and I don't know if I'm going to be posting this stuff every single day, but maybe like once a week, every other week, we're going to clean up 1-2 bins a day, and we'll see the progress of this whole garage studio to completely empty it out. And not to mention, I have another one up there, 3-car garage that is full of big items. Not like boxes, but big items that sit in there devaluating, like, I don't know, log splitters and generators. I don't need 5 generators. So hopefully enjoy that videos. At the same time, I can clean up my mess, and hopefully then don't get back to this stage again. Now I know what has worked, value what's just taking up my time. So that is the goal of these videos. This is my journey of getting rid of this huge liability. Run Hood. This was kind of like a sponsor video that people send it to me for free. The company, I filmed it. It's a pretty good video. Let's scan it, see how much it devalued by sitting in here. Obviously it's not new anymore. It's open box, and now on top of it, box is all dirty and beat up. Let's see if I can scan it on Amazon. This is the Amazon sticker. Amazon not wanting to work today properly, so we're just going to do the picture on Hood. See how much money I'm sitting on, because I could have, yeah, they said here $300. I should have just put in a stock market in Nvidia or whatever, Tesla, instead of sitting here with this on Hood generator devaluating my money. So going to take it, trade it up, sell it, whatever, invest the money, and then look at me wasting my time going through all the junk. I wish I was already done that. Stock market blowing up, could have made way more money.